So dear students, in the previous video we have read our chapter number 3, kinds of sentences, and I hope that you have read this properly as I have given you the homework to read this chapter. So have you read it? Good. So let's have a quick revision. We have studied how many types of sentences? 4 types of sentences, and the name of these sentences are assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. So dear students, today let's start our exercise for chapter number 3, that is on page number 16. So quickly open page number 16. So dear students, this is the exercise. So without wasting time, let's start. Firstly, read the question carefully. Read the following sentences carefully and write down their types in the boxes. हमें read करने हैं question और types लिखने हैं. हमने 4 types के sentences read किए हैं ना? Which all are they? Assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So 4 types के sentences हैं. हमने इनको read करना है और उनका types यहाँ box में लिखना है. Okay? So are you ready? Okay, let's start. First one, what does your father do? आपके पापा क्या करते हैं? This is the meaning of this sentence. So from this sentence we have an idea that which type of sentence it will be. See what, पहले तो यहाँ पे what से हमें आइडिया लग रहा है कि क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, एंड सेकेंडली हियर इट इज एंड विद ए क्वेश्चन मार्क, सो वी आर गेटिंग द आइडिया दैट इट इज एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. So here in the space provided we will write its type, and its type is interrogative sentences. So in good handwriting, sharp your pencil properly and write the answers here. I N T E R O G A T I V E. Interrogative sentences. SENTENCES. Interrogative sentences. Students, you have to write in neat and clean handwriting. अगर यहाँ पे बॉक्स में नहीं आ रहा है, आप थोड़ा बाहर लिख सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. There is no tea in the flask. There is no tea in the flask. यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल बात हो रही है कि फ्लास्क में टी नहीं है. इट इज टेलिंग अबाउट अ फैक्ट. तो जिसमें एक किसी फैक्ट के बारे में बताया जाता है, वो कौन से टाइप के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? Assertive sentences. So write here in the second column ASSERTIVE. Assertive. SENTENCE. Sentence. Assertive sentence. Third one sentence, have a look. Is he your friend? Again here it is ended with a question mark. That means it is an interrogative sentence. So INTERROGATIVE. Interrogative. SENTENCE. Sentence. Interrogative sentence. Fourth one, how clever these boys are. It is ended with an exclamatory mark, so it is an exclamatory sentence. EXCLAMATORY. Exclamatory. SENTENCE. Sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Fifth one, do it at once. Here order is given. यहाँ ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है, तो जिसमें ऑर्डर देते हैं वो कौन से टाइप के सेंटेंस होते हैं? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. imperative, imperative, sentence, sentence, imperative sentence. Sixth one, I am learning French. Here it's a fact that I am learning French. So this is assertive sentence. ASSERTIVE, assertive, SENTENCE, sentence. I am learning French. यहाँ पे एक फैक्ट है कि वो फ्रेंच लर्न कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए ये assertive sentence होंगे. ओके. Who are these people? Again here we can see there's a question mark, so it is an interrogative sentence. INTERROGATIVE, interrogative, SENTENCE, sentence. Who are these people? ये लोग कौन हैं? Here is a question asked, so it is an interrogative sentence. Okay. These children are plucking flowers. These children are plucking flowers. Again here it's talking about the fact, so it is an assertive sentence. ASSERTIVE, assertive, SENTENCE, sentence, assertive sentence. Now next, number 9th is how tall the building is. Again here we can see the wonder. Here we can see the strong feeling. That means the wonder that the building is very tall, and it is ended with an exclamatory mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. EXCLAMATORY, exclamatory, SENTENCE, sentence, exclamatory sentence. And the last one of question A is they have finished their tasks. उन्होंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया. Task means work. So this is an assertive sentence. ASSERTIVE, assertive, SENTENCE, sentence. Because here they are talking about a fact that they have finished their task, so it is an assertive sentence. Okay. Students, you can watch it again. You can pause the video and write the answers. Now move on to question number B. Put the correct punctuation mark at the end of each of the following sentences in the given boxes. Dear students, here sentences are given and you have to put the punctuation marks in the box. कि इनके पीछे कौन सा punctuation mark आएगा वो आपको यहाँ पे बॉक्स में लिखना है. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. प्लीज कम हियर. प्लीज बोला गया यहाँ पे, दैट मीन्स इसमें रिक्वेस्ट हो रही है. और रिक्वेस्ट कौन से सेंटेंसेस में होती है? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में. और इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस के पीछे कौन सा मार्क आएगा? फुल स्टॉप. सो लेट्स पुट अ फुल स्टॉप हियर. नंबर 2, हिंदी इज माई मदर टंग. इट्स अ फैक्ट. It's talking about a fact that Hindi is my mother tongue. So fact के बारे में कौन से टाइप के sentences में बताया जाता है? In assertive sentences. और assertive sentences की end में कौन सा punctuation mark आता है? Full stop. So again in this box put a full stop. Third one, write a letter to your friend. So students, here it's an order. तो जो इसमें ऑर्डर दिया जाता है वो किस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? दैट आर इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एंड इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस कैसे एंड होते हैं? दे आर एंडिंग विद अ फुल स्टॉप. ओके. फोर्थ वन इज इंडिया इज एन एंशियंट कंट्री. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फैक्ट दैट इंडिया इज एन एंशियंट कंट्री. सो हियर यू हैव टू पुट अ फुल स्टॉप बिकॉज दे आर assertive, because this is an assertive sentence. Okay. It is a sunny day. It is a assertive sentence, so end it with a full stop. I like to study English. मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ना पसंद है. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फैक्ट एंड यू हैव टू पुट अ फुल स्टॉप हियर बिकॉज इट इज एन असर्टिव सेंटेंस. So next one question is, what a tall man. Beta, this is an exclamatory sentence because here it's the wonder. Here it is showing the wonder. So just put an exclamatory sign here. Next is, what is your name? Here is question. Question is being asked here. So just put a question mark like this. How naughty these boys are. This is an exclamatory sentence, so put a exclamatory mark here. And the last one is, this road leads to Agra. This is a fact, so just put a full stop because it is an assertive sentence. So dear students, you can pause the video and check the answers again. The punctuation marks you have to check thoroughly. So dear students, I hope you have checked the answers. So okay, my dear students, we will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.